this class is almost taking too much time. So I would say cast. Just like you want to castrate a man and the man is impotent, he cannot do anything again. He's not like a woman, something like that. So these are some of the concepts I'm just trying to use now. So I want to cast a tuple. The name of this tuple is called state. Now take note. If I say get me the data type of tuple of this state, it will give me tuple. You can see it's giving me tuple. Take note of this. So by the time I castrate this tuple, it will change. Now I would say list. List states. List states. So the moment I say list states, automatically it has castrated, it has cast this tuple to a list. So you can see it has changed from this tuple to a list. Now if I come back here and say get me the type of states, it will tell me, okay, still giving me tuple. Alright, I know why. Let me run this. It will still give me tuple. To give me tuple because unless I do something like this, state is equal to list states. And if I say get me states, if I run this now and I run this, it will give me what? If I say type, it will give me, it should give me list. Now it has changed. So now what I did was that I casted this tuple. I casted this tuple to a list. Then it has changed from tuple now to a list. Now what I will do now is to add what I want to add. Let's say I want to add Ogun State to this. I'll just come here and add what I want to. I'll just say states dot append. Please kindly add Ogun State. Please kindly add Ogun State. If I say state now Ogun State has been added. Now Ogun State has been added. What I will now do is I will now cast it back. I will cast it back. I will say state is equal to tuple. Tuple out, get me back the current state of this. You can see it has changed back to a tuple. So if I try to get the data types of tuple now, if I say type of states, that's data type of states to give me tuple. So take note of this. I change the state of states, and I change the state of this data type to a list, add, then reconvert back. So this is the only way you can add item or remove item to a list, by casting. Alright, so let's talk about dictionary quickly. Dictionary uses what we call the key value pairs. It's actually under the set type, no, the mapping type. Alright, so for dictionary, if I say family A is, dictionary make use of these curly braces. Let me say the father is the key with a value called Olumide. The mother is a key with a value called Elizabeth. And they only have a son with a value called Adebayo. So family A. So for family B, the father is called James, the mother is called Sarah, and the son is called Samuel. Alright, so now this is okay. Let me just new this, then alright, so let me explain this now. This is a key. This is a key. Let me label the key out. This is a, let me remove this first. These are keys. all these are keys, why all these are values. All right, so key father, key mother, key son, value Olumide, James, Elizabeth, Sarah, Adebayo, Samuel. So this is what we call key value that are in pairs. Key values that are in what? In pairs. So for the first pair, we have father James, second pair mother Sarah, third pair son Samuel. So now, if I run this now, let's want to print family A and also print family B. Now see. So you can see all these are family A, family this. If I want to get the data type of this, I'll say dictionary. Now this is it. So now I want to convert this now to a table, a data frame. Now how do I do this now? It's very simple. Now I want to wrap all this family together as just family. So I would say family A has all the values called family A has all the value called or let me do it this way for better understanding. Let me copy this whole thing in form of a list. I will change it to a list. Just a list. A list. All right. So family A has all the lists under family A. Then family B has all the lists under family what? B. So once I say family now, family comes out. Oops. Oh, this is supposed to be a dictionary instead.
At the top, the first list. Good, the first list.
Thank you. I did not even see that. No wonder why I was having that error. So this is supposed to be okay. Then this will be fine now. All right. So I have this now. Family A this, family B this now. How do I convert this now to a data frame? That is where I'll now use what we call import pandas as PD. Now pandas is a library in Python used for data analysis, for analyzing data. Pandas. So import pandas as PD. I'm using an alias, just like instead of saying IO, we are saying AY. That's it. So instead of me saying pandas, I'm using PD. So I'll now say I'll create a data frame. Sorry, a variable called df. I can say pd dot data frame of family. Convert this to a data frame. Once I say df, now see how it comes out. It has come out as form of a table format. Yeah. So family A is Olumide, family B is this, that. All right. So we can begin to do a lot of analysis from all of this. All right. So from here, we can do many things. We can check for the information about our data sets. df.info. It will give me all of this. I can say info. It will tell me this is a pandas. It has how many columns. This is as well. If I want to check how many rows and columns I have, I will say df.shape. It will give me the number of rows and columns. I have 3 rows, 2 columns. If I want to check all the column names, I will say df.column.